All right, before we get to Tom, let's talk about this. One of the biggest flops in Detroit sports history. Back in the news again. Why?
That's right. Darko.
That's all you got to say. You wrapped it up. Madonna, Cher,
Yeah.
Darko.
Jewel, yeah, you got all those ones. Yeah,
He
there
qualifies.
you go.
It's almost perfect. We giggled about this. As symbolism goes, you really could not draft it any more appropriately. It's almost surreal, but true. What am I talking about? Well, this was the scene in Miami today. The Heat celebrating their second straight championship with a victory parade. 3 players on that team, LeBron James, Dwyane Wade, and Chris Bosh, were taken 1st, 4th, and 5th in the NBA draft 10 years ago. Now, the player who was taken 2nd by the Pistons, Darko Milicic. You all know that. Well, what's the point? Darko announced today that he's retiring from professional basketball. His stint with Detroit was followed up by stops in Orlando, Memphis, New York, Minnesota, Boston. Didn't have that staying power you're looking for. He was 18 when he was drafted, and now as a 28-year-old, he looks back at a 2.5-year tenure here in Detroit where he played less than 10 minutes a game and scored less than 2 points a game. And need I not mention that they also passed up on Carmelo Anthony in that draft. Yeah, it goes down as one of the worst of all time.
I know it. So what's he going to do?
Who knows? I guess collect all that money that he didn't really earn.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh.
Got paid a lot for playing very little, right?
Very little. Very little. But what can you do?